is Shah Khamar from Team Interior, and today I would be talking about what motivated us to take a project like this. So, to get you a better understanding of what I'm talking about, I would like you to imagine a scenario. So, you are in a 2 BHK flat with 5 family members. Now, I have given you an assignment to complete it within the next 4 to 5 hours. Now, there's painting work going on, there are people shouting, you have siblings, you have many people in the house, or nonetheless, people have come to clean the house. Now, do you think that you will be able to complete the assignment which I have given you? No, because of the distractions which you are facing in the entire house, you would not be able to focus on the assignment or the task which you have in hand. So this is a problem which I was also personally facing, and many of my friends which I asked, they were also facing the same problem. Build up on the idea, because it would be a good business opportunity as well. It would also solve a problem or a thing which many people would be facing. There are so many distractions, whether it's someone shouting, whether it's traffic. There's a lot of distraction and would not be very good for you or your business. So we thought that we should come up with a business idea or a feature could be incorporated in the existing apps such as Oyo or Fab Hotels. So what we thought of is that Oyo and Fab Hotels allow you to book room for 1 day, 2 day, or for n number of days you want to, and same with Fab Hotels. But what I wanted was that if you were given an assignment, given a project, or you wanted to spend some time alone, you could go there for a few hours, be charged on a hourly basis, and then get out of that room. You would be able to work there in peace, in silence, because there would be no one to trouble you. All the things which you will be requiring would be present in that room, and you would be able to work in peace. And that's what our major objective is. So we were thinking that we could incorporate this feature into all these big giants like Oyo and Fab Hotels, because they have existing client base, and building a new client base is a very difficult thing. But this is a feature, and building a separate app for this would not be a very good idea, and that's what me and my team thought about. So I would like my teammates to speak about the problem and the solution in hand. I've explained the problem in brief, my team members to explain it further, and over to them.
Hello everyone, I Siddharth Ori would now like to tell you all about the problem statement of our project. In these times of pandemic, and also before that, people usually prefer to work from home in their comfort zone with a silent and peaceful environment. While ensuring and taking all the steps to maintain this kind of environment, people still face a lot of disturbances and noises. Noises such as construction work going on nearby, children playing, loud music in the neighborhood, and many more. Due to these noises and disturbances, people feel frustrated and have a lot of mental pressure to reach their sole aim of completing their homework, assignment, and any other creative work they are wanting to complete. While thinking about all these problems, me and my team came up with a great solution which is unique and easy to implement. And also, if the person wants to spend some time with himself, then also our app Indoor is the best app he or she can rely on.
My name is Chiranjeev and my enrollment number is T90 CSE 294. I am going to talk about the solution to the problem my team members have described. So nowadays, people are living in such a hectic environment that they are not able to do their work peacefully and without any distractions. Whether there is construction work going on near their homes or someone is playing music, etc. People get frustrated due to these noises and disturbances, and they are not able to complete their work peacefully and within the short period of time available. To solve such a problem, we have a solution which is unique and also easy to implement. We will build an application that will show the customers rooms which are located near their locations. They can go to these rooms, do their high intensive work and leave. When the customer will log into our app, he or she will have to complete a psychometric test which will test his or her state of mind. If the state of mind is healthy, then only we will provide him or her with a room. After performing the psychometric test, we will show them a couple of rooms located near their locations along with their rent per hour. After that, we will ask them if they require anything else like food, water or Wi-Fi. These extra requirements will also have a cost. Then the app will go to the payment section and he will have to pay the rent along with a security fee. This security fee is only because if the customer damages the room. Shakambar will talk about the tools required to build this app.
Thank you, Chiranjeev and Siddharth. This was a vivid description of what we wanted. But to make this happen, we would require some languages because we need to first present the prototype to the company so that they can incorporate it as a feature in their outstanding apps. So, to incorporate it, we would have to build application and then present it to them. For building an application, we would require all these languages such as Flutter for the front end and designing part of the application, Google Firebase and MySQL for the database handling, and JavaScript for all the functions or all the things which are happening within the app, whether it's authentication, whether it's what happens when we click a button and everything like that.
Hello everyone, I Siddharth Ori would now like to talk about some goals and objectives of our app. So till now, we have figured the sole aim of our app, that is, we would provide the user with a silent and peaceful environment so that he can work and also spend some time alone. Some of the other objectives of our app are as follows. We would firstly identify the rooms nearby the user's GPS location. Then we would request the user to perform a psychometric test so that we can be thorough with the state of mind. After looking at the results of the psychometric test and also based on the user's preferences, we would allocate the room accordingly. Me and my team would work our best to make the app user friendly. Our app would then ask about the user's wants and would surely provide them with it.
Pitching such an idea to these big giants would be very difficult, but if we make them understand what our feature is targeting or what our feature is trying to accomplish, they would get a better understanding, and so would you. So I would like you to present you with the working of our application so you can get a better understanding of what's happening in the application. So the user can put their credentials in, then they would be directed toward a screen where they would be allowed to take a psychometric test. The psychometric test don't want anyone to do any hideous thing or any bad thing. They can then book rooms which are near to their location, and then they can also tell us what are the requirements which they need inside the room. Need table, chair, pens and other accessories in the room. So we would segregate the rooms which don't have it and only show the rooms which are there and near him. And we would suggest alternatives as well if the accessory which they are demanding is not present. This will allow them to select the room which is nearest to them with all the amenities which they require, and then they can go there, work in peace and do whatever which they want to complete there in peace, in silence. Also, we would be taking a security deposit of 1000 to 2000 rupees before they leave the room. We don't want anyone to damage anything which is present in the room and use it under proper care, or we would ask them to click a photo of the room before leaving, and if everything is fine, then we would refund the money back to the user's account. The broader picture, but implementing it and pitching it to the big giants would be a difficult task, but I think if you are convinced, then so would they be, and yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And this was, I would like to thank Anurag sir, Bennett University, for giving us a wonderful opportunity to go through all the documentation process, how everything functions, not to write the code, but to get to a good idea and then document it. Presenting an idea is equally important as much as making the entire project successful. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say. What an amazing project, what an amazing time I had discussing all this with my friends. Was an amazing project. And yeah, that's it. I will be signing off. Thank you for watching. Thank you if you enjoyed this one. So please do leave a like, and I will catch you guys in the next project which we get the next semester. Thank you so much.